In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing App Store on iPad. If the App Store has vanished from your home screen and even from the app library, don't worry. This usually happens when screen time restrictions are hiding it, and we can turn it back on in just a few minutes. First, let's confirm that it's truly hidden and not tucked away in a folder. Swipe all the way to the last page on the left to open the app library. Use the search bar at the top and type App Store. If it doesn't show up in the results, that's a clear sign that a restriction is enabled, and we'll fix that next. Open the Settings app, then scroll until you see Screen Time and tap it. Screen Time is the place where content and privacy controls live, including whether the App Store can be installed or used. Next, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure this switch is turned on so you can view and change its settings. With it on, you'll see the options we need. Now tap iTunes and App Store purchases, choose Installing Apps, and change the setting from Don't Allow to Allow. If you're prompted for a screen time passcode, enter it. If you don't remember it, use the on-screen option to reset your screen time passcode before continuing. Once installing apps is set to allow, the App Store can appear again. If you prefer to avoid this problem in the future and you don't need any of these restrictions, you can go back one screen and simply toggle content and privacy restrictions off. That removes the rules that were hiding the App Store. Return to the home screen and swipe left to the app library again. You should now see the App Store icon. Press and hold it until it lifts, then drag it onto your home screen and let go where you want it. This restores easy access so you don't have to visit the app library each time. Go ahead and open the App Store to confirm everything is working. You can browse, download, and update apps as usual. Quick tip. If any of these options are grayed out or you see a message that your device is managed, your organization may control these settings and you may need to contact them to enable the App Store. That's it. Your App Store should now be visible and fully functional on your iPad. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear step-by-step iPad and App Store tips.